मेलबर्न आप सुन रहे हैं 91.2 FM ऑल द वे फ्रॉम मेलबर्न विद योर होस्ट विद योर दोस्त आरजे वरुण ऑन रेडियो संताबंता। मेलबर्न में जो नशा चला हुआ है वो है नशा नाइट्स का। जी हाँ दोस्तों, काफी सक्सेसफुल नाइट्स रही है नशा नाइट्स की और हमारे साथ हमारे स्टूडियो में है स्पेशल गेस्ट जी हाँ जो कि आए हुए हैं नशा नाइट से और जो बताएंगे किस तरह से वो कर रहे हैं मेलबर्न को फुल ऑन एंटरटेन ऑल द टाइम। जी हाँ, कैसे हो अजय एंड मोस्ट वेलकम टू रेडियो संताबंता।
Thanks, Varun. How are you going?
I'm very well. Can you introduce Nasha Nights to all our listeners who are listening for the first time?
Okay. Hi, Melbourne people. If you haven't been to Nasha, let us tell you something about it. Well, Nasha is pretty much all about some elegant, safe, and boutique Bollywood club nights. Well, that offers you, as an Indian crowd in Melbourne, a night with like pretty much smashing hits from Bollywood and pretty much UK style Bhangra music or Hindi hits, everything that's on the charts at the moment, and the whole crowd of VIP treatment as a whole.
Okay.
So anyone that walks through our doors, it's a VIP from the start till the time they leave their nights. So that's what pretty much, yes, we do. We actually make special arrangements. It's pretty much once you contact us or through our website or through Facebook or even through our phone numbers, we actually will give you a lot of packages on offer that will actually make you pick anything, so customize your own birthday party at our event. So whatever you might have in your mind, as a plan for your own birthday or a special party, we can actually get that all together and make it happen for you.
So DJ Zara, you are the one who is creating the music for Nasha Night. So what's your vision and how you think Nasha is doing good and how you'll be coming up in the future plans?
Well, Nasha at the moment is going really good. We actually want to present the crowd that it's a brand, not just any Indian night.
Yep.
So we want to present Nasha as a brand. So when people are actually going to Nasha night, they want to say we want to have Nasha tonight. So that's what's been happening. The prime target would be uni students and people who are born and brought up here, because that's the mentality of the girls. They don't go to Indian nights saying that Indian nights are not really good. So the target for us is just that crowd, because we want to present Nasha as a safest night and for couples, and it's safe for couples and girls.
DJ Alvin, he is the #1 Bollywood DJ in Australia. So DJ Zara, would you like to introduce yourself? I think you are the #1 Bollywood DJ of Melbourne.
Well, the music I play, I want it to be really different to any other Indian night. मेरा ये मोटिव रहता है कि मैं वो वाला म्यूजिक प्ले करूं जिस पे मैं डांस कर सकूं. I try कि I play all the hits from Bollywood movie, and I want to make a difference all the time. जो बाकी क्लब्स में नहीं प्ले होता, जो हम गाना छोटे-छोटे थे जब हम सुनते थे, create that wow factor all the time I play.
Well, we actually are introducing DJ Karun. That's one of the pretty much renowned DJs in Melbourne at the moment. So he's going to start with us from this next night. That's on 22nd of September. Born, brought up to first or second generations in Australia. They need to have a roots, the roots has to be given to them when they come to a club. The music they haven't heard in any other nights because it's become so commercialized. We actually going back to the roots and give them what they actually want to hear, not what's given to them on any night or pretty much repeated basis. So that's our vision. So let's see how that works out.
Radio Santabanta, we do play Nasha Night music, and our listeners always liked it, and we have got lots of feedback from them that they love the music which you play.
Just stay tuned, and in October it's going to be pretty massive. So if you make it this Saturday to Nasha, there'll be a wow factor for sure when you find out.
And what you will say, #1 DJ?
Agree completely with AJ here. We actually focus too much to make a difference, and we want to give wow factor to the audience there.
Thanks for coming to our studio.